Hi, I'm back, and I'm going to introduce you to our first guest, the gorgeous Pooja Bedi. She's an actress, a writer, and currently a relationship counselor. She is also the daughter of actor Kabir Bedi and the late Pratima Gauri, the Odyssey dancer. Pooja is someone I've known since she was a little girl. And even as a child, she had a very carefree spirit, which she still carries with her to this day. She's a very positive person who enjoys every aspect of her life and is a live wire at social gatherings and amongst her friends. Much like her parents, she has lived life on her very own terms, paying scant attention to convention and society. Hi!
Hi, Zarine.
How are you? I'm fine, darling. How are you?
I'm good. And
so nice to see you. Come.
thank you for inviting me on this wonderful show.
Pleasure.
Thank you.
Come and sit down. You're looking so glamorous, and I mean, there's every day you're looking better and better, and every month or year that goes, instead of going forward, it goes behind you.
Thank
Huh?
you. But you've seen me since I was a tiny tot. You've seen me
Yes.
since I was this tiny child walking in and out of your house.
I know.
You know,
Can you
and Farah and me have been in the same class and, grown up together. So I guess for you, I'm just the same old person.
Every time I see you with such lovely clothes.
Thank you so much for the compliment.
Huh?
But I think what's very important to me when I dress is to dress for my body type, to dress for my skin type, and not blindly follow fashion. So I think what's important is to have your own personality reflected in your clothing and your style. See, you have such an impeccable sense of style, and you dress so well, and you present yourself so well. You're making people so
Yes.
happy with your food. I mean,
Huh.
so it's really nice to me because to me, food is also equivalent to
Yeah.
happiness.
Huh.
So that's what you're essentially doing is through food, because food makes good food makes people so happy.
Yeah, and at least food makes people to more people to come to my house, and I gain more friends. But it's not all about food. I have friends from your age to my age to, I don't know, even older
The
than me.
grandchildren's age.
And to grandchildren. So it's a question of, my house becomes sort of a focal point for people to gather together because they enjoy also. We have fun times, and at the same time, they know they're going to go well saturated with good food back again to their
That's
place.
such an Indian ethos, right?
Yes.
Like our food is so important to us, and to have lots of food is so important to us, and variety of food is so important to us. Abroad, you go, it's all plated, ek dish pe aa jata hai, and you have it,
That's a different style.
हाँ,
Yes.
यहाँ पर the whole family and conversations and get-togethers are based on food, which is so fabulous.
But it's a fact, because when you go to an Indian home, not in my home, but any home, even if they are having an omelette, they're ready to cut it in half and share it with you.
And I think in India also, it's a very ghar bulao
Bilkul.
country.
Yes.
Abroad, you generally tend to go outside and eat.
Yes.
And in India, it's always about ghar pe bulate
हाँ.
hain, ghar pe milte hain,
हाँ.
ghar ka khana khilate hain,
Let me tell you one thing, is that I'm going to cook a very special dish for you.
Oh, wow.
It's called the Masala rice biryani.
Oh,
So,
fabulous.
are you going to help me cook?
I would love to help you cook. You know the recipe, and I'm going
Lovely.
to stand
So
and watch and make it happen.
Let's go and make it.
How lovely.
Okay? Today, I'm going to show you a nice masala rice biryani, which is actually a vegetarian biryani. Now, since we're just 2 guests, I'm going to have just use half the packet.
Okay.
Okay, so that's about half kg. So we take this, and
Okay.
can you pass me the water? Yes. Okay, so we just clean this rice, wet it, soak it, and we leave it aside.
Okay.
Put on the fire a little bit, and we add the masala. So before adding the masala, I will cut the onions.
What did the onion tell the cook?
Tell me, you tell me.
Why are you crying? I'm being chopped up.
Put oil
Okay.
into this pan. So
what are the spices we're using today?
Dalchini, lawang, and ilaichi. We start putting a little bit of this.
I'm such a garlic-heavy person when I cook.
Really?
Yeah, I
Are
put
you a
garlic in
cook?
everything.
Are you a cook? You must be, no?
Am I a cook? Let's see. So I got married and I decided I was going to be the best housewife. So I decided if I'm going to do it, let me do it to perfection. So I did all these culinary courses. So I did Thai, continental, Italian, Mexican, desserts, eggless desserts. Then I learned this vegetable carving thing, which I've completely forgotten. It's been 10 years. And then I did table settings and napkin foldings and patani what all nonsense.
How sweet.
I'm going to be the perfect housewife. Well, that one for a toss.
So now after this is little fried, you put in all the onions. Okay, there we go. And we let these onions become light brown. We can add a little salt.
Okay.
Now, as this is being cooked, now we are going to put into this very mixture of the onions, this particular mixture, which is ilaichi, lavang, red chili powder, and adrak lasan and kothmir.
Perfect.
Into this. This is the mixture that's made, okay? So we pour this into the onions.
So you like soak the Kashmiri chilies
Yes.
and then you...
No, you can, mix it up when it's dry also. Put it in a grinder.
Okay.
And then make the masala, all together.
Okay.
So I cut this. You need about 1.5 tomato to 2 tomatoes.
Very nice special masala rice.
Yes.
Made for vegetarian me.
Absolutely. Just for you, specially made today.
He's a very fancy chef, huh? Cooking with these fabulous gold rings and, there's a gold element going into this dish also. That's a secret. That's a secret recipe part which you don't tell people, right?
That's
Infuse
for
it with
my
a bit of gold.
audience. That's for my audience. Now, this is the mixture that makes the masala rice.
Okay.
Now, you see this is all got ready.
It's looking
well,
lovely.
huh?
It's
Okay.
looking fabulous.
Now, I put in the yogurt.
So the yogurt shouldn't be too thick.
No, you can, this is mashed yogurt, but you can, if it's thick, you just mix it up, see?
Oh, it looks so creamy.
Yes. And we pour this rice like this. Strain out all the water. You can put that down.
Okay.
We pour this rice into the masala. We will add about 3 cups of water. So let's add about, just keep pouring, I'll tell you. Usually the water has got to be just about 1 inch above this.
1 inch above the rice level, okay.
Some green chilies.
Okay. I love chilies.
Into this. Then some pudina leaves. Coriander.
That looks so beautiful visually.
Yeah. Now, we take this. Now, on full fire, we let it cook till it's done. And you know something, afterwards, Pooja, you lower the gas.
So it simmers.
Yes, simmers in its own juices and becomes the masala rice that we want.
Fabulous.
So is
Zarine Aunty, thank you for the treat. Thank you for this. Thank you for cooking for me personally. Thank you.
The treat will be the lunch, darling, and I hope you enjoy it.
I am sure I will. Oh, it's lovely.
Isn't the aroma there?
Yeah.
See? Be careful of your hair.
Oh, wow.
Okay,
Add
now.
a little extra touch to your recipe.
Yes. Now we put it in here.
Wow.
You can have this with plain. Either you can have it plain like a biryani, or you can have it with anything, maybe even dahi curry. So this is the complete dish of the masala rice, made for you specially.
Zarine Aunty, it smells amazing.
I'm so happy.
Amazing.
So it's all for you. You can eat it.
I'll
at
eat it all.
lunchtime. Sure.
Not sharing it with anybody.
And folks, this is your dish, the masala rice. If you missed anything, here's the recap.
For masala rice, biryani, in a bowl, add 500 gram rice, water as required and set it aside. In a pan, heat oil, add cardamom, 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks, 8 to 10 cloves. Add the 3 chopped onions and cook them till they go soft. Now, add salt to taste, 5 tablespoon red chili paste, 2 chopped tomatoes and mix well. Add half cup of yogurt, stir well and let it cook. Strain the rice, add it to the pan. Add water as required, 5 to 6 whole green chilies, 8 to 10 mint leaves, finely chopped fresh coriander, stir well and let it cook on low flame. Your masala rice biryani is ready to be served.
It's time to bring our second guest in, and so we'll take a short break. Don't go anywhere, and we'll be back.